everybody, Max from FlexArm here. We just completed a tap test for a customer looking for a better way to thread Hardox 500 tough material that's coming off of their burn table. It's a 1 inch thick and it's a 3/4 by 10 hole. So this tap test, we paired it up with the GH-60 hydraulic tapping unit that can push over 811 foot-pounds of torque. Now, because of the overall hardness of this material, we had to request a specialized tap from our good friends at OSG. Because our tap holders come set for mild steel, and this tap test is significantly harder than that, we actually had to tighten the torque settings on the holder as far as it can go. And so once we did that, that actually allowed us to run all 17 holes with ease with the GH-60 tapping arm. So if you find yourself in applications where you're tapping abrasion-resistant material or super high impact resistant material, give us a call at FlexArm. Let us walk you through our process and show you the absolute best way to boost your efficiency in your shop. We look forward to helping you.